So I was laying right here on the sofa, and she was right here in the kitchen. I guess I dozed off for a couple of seconds, and this is when I wake up, come in the kitchen to check, and this is what I find. A 4-year-old mess. I don't know what she was making. I know I dozed off for maybe, well, look, y'all, I was just right there. Right there. And I thought she was in here on her iPad playing. And she was in here experimenting, making some kind of concoction. My. This is the culprit.
My dress is dirty.
Yes, you did it.
And
You did. You messed your dress up, and you made a mess in the kitchen.
Okay. You made a mess on my bathroom.
No, you made a mess in the kitchen.
You make a mess of my dress and make